Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your domain on Wix. First, ensure you have a premium Wix plan that supports custom domains. Next, decide if you want to connect your domain by pointing or by transferring it. Both methods have distinct steps, and choosing the right one depends on your current domain setup and preferences. We will cover both options in detail. To connect your domain by pointing, you will update your domain's name servers with your current registrar. Wix will provide you with two specific name server addresses. You'll replace your existing name servers with these. This method allows your domain to remain registered with its current host while directing traffic to your Wix site. It typically takes up to 48 hours for these changes to propagate globally. If you prefer to transfer your domain to Wix, you'll first need to unlock it at your current registrar and obtain an authorization code, sometimes called an EPP code. Then, you'll initiate the transfer process directly from your Wix account. This makes Wix your new domain registrar, simplifying management. Be aware that domain transfers can take up to 7 days to complete fully. After connecting or transferring your domain, it's crucial to allow up to 48 hours for global propagation. During this time, your website might not be immediately accessible everywhere. You can verify your domain's connection status directly within your Wix dashboard. If you encounter any issues or your site isn't live after 48 hours, don't hesitate to contact Wix customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.